Jesus, Jesus. In Christ alone will I glory, though I could break myself in battle's war. For I've been blessed beyond measure, and by strength alone I overcome. Oh, I could stop to count successes like diamonds in my hands, but the trophies could not equal by which I stand. In Christ alone I place my trust and find my glory in the power of the cross. In every victory, let it be said in me, my source of strength, my source of is Christ alone. Praise Him, praise Him. In Christ alone will I glory, for only by His grace I am redeemed. For only His tender mercy could reach beyond my weakness to my need. And now I seek no greater honor than just to know Him more, and to count my gains with losses, with the glory of my Lord. In Christ alone I place my trust, I find my glory in the power of the cross. In every victory, let it be said in me, my source of strength, my source of hope is Christ alone. I place my trust and find my glory in the power of the cross. In every victory, let it be said in me, my source of strength, my source of hope. I place my trust and find my glory in the power of the cross. In every victory, let it be said in me, my source of strength, beloved Lord, hallelujah, is Christ alone. I place my trust and find my glory in the power. Thank you, Lord. Love is so much, Jesus. And me, my source of strength, my source of hope is Christ alone. I place my trust and find my glory in the power in every victory. Let it be said in me, my source of strength, my source in Christ alone. I place my trust and find my glory in the power of the God. In every victory, let it be said to me, my source of strength, my source. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Napakabait na mahal na Panginoon. Thou art worthy to be